The timeline week view lets you see all of your appointments for all of your resources all in one view, a week at a time. You can drag a task from one person to another to reassign it. You can also reschedule by simply dragging to another day. This view also can add a new appointment by just clicking on a cell, and it'll automatically select the user, and you can say install equipment, for example. You can decide what project it is, because this is a cross-project view, so this might be an engineering onboard client. Add a description here, and it'll automatically set you can decide what time of day it's going to be, because this is the week view. This is a 10 a.m. appointment to, say, 12 o'clock p.m. Hit save, and now that new task is added to the system.